with it? You don't know.
What's up, bud?
Sheriff's office. He's about to put him in gear. He's got his hand on the shifter. Hey, there's stop sticks right here in front of your car. It's going to flatten your tires. It's going to flatten your tires. There's stop sticks right here. But hey, there's stop sticks in front of your car. It's going to flatten the tires. Roll in the window.
Oh, that's his car.
Huh?
That's his car. You calm down.
That's fine. I'm not. You're not in any trouble. Roll down the window. Got it? It's going to flatten them. Stop. 30 Central 12F. It's the white Toyota Camry that I ran. He's going out to ISP. I'll get you a description in a minute. We're on foot. We're not in cars.
I got a car coming at me at 90 right here, guys. Get ready at Kepler. I'll let you know if this is it. White Camry. I got lights on. It's not stopping. He'll be coming. He should be to you, probably.
Is that it? Yeah. I got all 4 tires. Stick it.
Looks like they go straight. I got him covered. One in custody. Central Rural Rescue for dog bite. Stand right here. And don't move. Stand right there and don't move.
What am I being arrested for? I've never been bit by no dog.
Well, now you have.
You like that?
Huh?
You like that?
I don't like anything.
Oh.
Can't follow instructions. That's what happened. You have a bag?